Hey guys, welcome to my video. So, I'm Mia and today we're gonna unbox a Yojimbo 125mm angle grinder. So, this is the 1200 watts heavy duty. So, this is the
Specifications.
okay. So, the first one, input power 1200 watts and voltage, what is this V?
220
With
volts.
220 volts. And
Good for Philippine voltage.
what's this? Frequency, okay.
60 hertz.
60 hertz and
Spindle
thread. I cannot use this word so fast.
Max disc diameter 125
mm.
So mga 5 inches niya. Okay.
So, let's open it. There we go. I thought. Hello. So, alright guys, we have this.
The disc.
The disc. Stainless steel. Oh gosh.
We're gonna also try buffing disc.
Okay, we have this. The manual.
Original Yojimbo manual.
Yes. And oh my gosh, what's this? Is this stuck? Okay, never mind. So this is the
Handle.
The handle. It look like as a. And next is this.
Cover.
The
Cover.
the cover. The cover of the steel. And this is one too heavy. There we go.
The heavy duty gid siya.
That's why it's heavy.
Get the cellophane kaya ito pa. Check nila.
Not. We got
Nindot
it.
siya, oh. Very nice.
Very nice and brand new and original. Why my
Rubberized.
rubberized? What happened? It won't open.
That is still closed.
So guys, we're here and with my big baby dolly.
So we're gonna try out.
Yeah.
Test how to put the handle.
Yeah. So let's put the handle. You know about this? You're gonna put it right in the hole. Like this. Is this okay now?
We will gonna try later to listen to the
Is
sound.
this okay now?
Kung maganda ba yung tunog niya, guys.
Okay.
Okay na. Sample na kamo.
Next is the cover.
Cover.
Okay, cover. There we go.
You have to
Have this.
uh, that's okay here. So like that na siya.
There's oil in my hand.
That's because that's tools. Yeah. Okay.
There we go. It's still very heavy, but you can hold here. Like
Okay.
this.
I like that. And they want to see the speed control.
Oh, sure.
Here's the on button, the speed control.
5 max to number 1.
And the on switch on. Okay. So we're gonna try out to listen to the sound sa iyang
I'm scared
engine.
to hold.
I will hold na lang siguro.
Okay.
Pause lang sa.
So guys, we're gonna try to switch on the unit so that we can listen the sounds. Murog ba kay kung kamot.
Okay. Ano siya ang naka 1. 1. Ayan, speed to 3.
No, not my
Ayan,
pajama.
The full speed.
Sapit, somebody hurts me.
So you can also put a 4 inches
Ah,
disc
it fell.
here. It will fit. You see? Ma-fit na siya 4 inches. Like that. This is the 5 inches. So, okay. That's it. Okay kasi guys. Tinod kasi tingog. Maganda yung tunog niya and
Okay guys, thanks for watching.
hope you like.
I hope you like and
If-
subscribe
Eventually, we cannot test it in the real because
because
it's very
inside.
dangerous. Yeah.
We're inside.
Okay.
Okay, so bye guys. Say goodbye, Dolly.